Congratulations, you just launched your new website. Now, how long does SEO take for it to jump to the top, right? So it's an age-old question, and if you've done any research or talked to anybody, you probably heard something along the lines that it takes about a year. But what a lot of people fail to communicate is why does it take a year? Now, one of the most important things you can do when jumping into SEO is to have realistic expectations. And so that boils down to understanding the difference between progress and monetization. SEO doesn't take a year for you to see progress, but it likely takes a year for you to monetize it. So let's walk through the difference. Progress is where you see, like, let's say if you're an existing website, let's say you're on page 10, but if you're a new website, you're back on Oblivion, you might be hundreds of pages deep. What happens is when you jump from page 10, we'll just use 10 for easy numbers, you go from page 10 to page 8, that's a jump of 20 positions because on average there's 10 results per page. So 10 results times 2 pages is 20 results. Now, depending on your device, you might have infinite scroll where it scrolls and scrolls and scrolls, and there's not actually 10 traditional blue links per page. And so we can just go off of the ranking. So page 10 would be 100 results, right? If you jump from 100 to 80, that's great progress. You jump 20 spots. And then if you jump from 80 to 50, that's another 30 spots. So now collectively, you've jumped 50 spots and you probably have zero traffic to show for it. That's where the difference between progress and monetization comes in because you're making great progress, but all the traffic is on page one. It's like 90% plus of all the organic traffic is on page one. Until you hit that page one, you're unlikely to monetize it, at least in any substantial terms. That's the difference of progress versus monetization and why a lot of times SEO takes about a year is because it's just the amount of time that it takes to move up the ladder far enough to get to the top 10 rankings where all the traffic is.